Would and should the U.S. actually commit U.S. troops to defend Taiwan if China were to move?
I think that this is such a, I think that this is this is, of course, a very longstanding policy of the United States. And I think what we are hoping for is that we want to make sure that we never get to that point. And we want to make sure that we are moving in all of our economic research and our global positions to avoid any such confrontation and for that question to even arise.
I'm not the expert on geopolitics on this issue.
No shit, Sherlock.
Democratic Socialists rose on the attack against Israel, calling our ally a, quote, occupation force over Palestine.
I also think that what people are starting to see, at least in the occupation of Palestine, is just an increasing crisis of humanitarian condition.
Use the term the occupation of Palestine.
I think what I meant is like the settlements where Palestinians are experiencing difficulty.
I think you can expand on that.
I am not the expert on geopolitics on this issue.
No shit, Sherlock.
That is the future of their party.